Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to archive a WhatsApp chat on your Android device. Archiving chats is a great way to keep your main chat screen clean and organized without deleting conversations. It's super easy to do and can help you manage your WhatsApp more efficiently. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, make sure you're on the main chat screen where all your conversations are listed. Step 2. Next, long press on the chat you want to archive. You can choose any chat or group conversation that you'd like to hide from your main screen. When you long press the chat, a few options will appear at the top of the screen. Step 3. Now, tap the archive icon at the top. It looks like a small box with an arrow pointing down. Once you tap on this icon, your chat will be moved to the archived section and it won't show up on your main chat list anymore. And that's it. Your chat is now archived, and you can easily access it later in the archived chats section if needed. Archiving chats doesn't delete them. It simply hides them from the main screen. It's perfect for those conversations you want to keep but don't need to see every day. If you ever want to unarchive a chat, just go to your archived chats and swipe it back to the main screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more useful WhatsApp tips.